Hey everyone!
Hi.
Guess what we're doing?
Laundry.
Laundry! Say hi, Michael.
Hi.
Okay, Michael said he didn't want to say hi, but you know, he's part of the family, so he just has to say hi.
Tea.
My pretty teeth today. These things are so cool, guys.
I
On
like
Amazon, it keeps the mask away from your face, so even if you use a mask like this, you can keep it off of your face.
Like so.
And ladies, if you wear lipstick, it'll keep your lipstick on and you can still be covered and protected. Wear your mask. I have mine right here. It's just down right now because we're outside. So we missed a couple of days, and we may miss a few because life is just busy, and that's just the way it is. Oh, these guys have glasses on and mad to my baby. Anyway. Anyway, just wanted to say hi, and I hope you're enjoying your day. It's Friday. I hope you have nice plans for the weekend other than laundry, but laundry has to be done, so it's just things that you have to do. So once it's done, what are your plans for the weekend? Bye.
Bye.